Today I will show you how to download and install VLC Media Player. I am going to use Google Chrome to download this software. In the search bar, type VLC download and press enter. This is the official link. The link is videolan.org/VLC. I will put the link on the description below. Just click on the link and you will see the official page of VLC Media Player. And then you will see the big download VLC button. Click on the download button. The download will start automatically. After download, close the browser, then open this PC, then double click on download folder, double click on it, then click OK, then next, then license agreement page. You can read the license agreement and click next. Then you can leave it as default or you can change it to full version. I will change it to full. Then next, then install. Click on finish. Click continue. You are done.